polite English words and expressions, slow English, daily life, real situations. Hello everyone, welcome to English Boost Motivation. Today's lesson is polite English words and expressions. Polite English helps you sound confident, sound educated, speak respectfully. In this 40-minute lesson, you will learn polite English words, polite expressions for daily life, office, school, phone, and online polite English, real examples and practice. Let's begin. Part 1. Why polite English is important. Polite English makes a big difference. Compare. Give me water. Could you please give me some water? What do you want? What would you like? Polite English shows respect, good manners, professional behavior. Key polite words: please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, may I, could you. Practice. Please help me. Thank you very much. Sorry for the mistake.
Part 2. Using politely. Please is a magic word. Polite requests: please sit down. Please help me. Please wait a moment. More polite: could you please help me? Would you please explain again? Practice sentences: please open the door. Could you please repeat that? Yes. Part 3. Saying thank you politely. There are many ways to say thank you. Common forms: thank you very much, thanks a lot. Polite and formal: thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I'm grateful for your support. Practice: thank you for your time. I appreciate your help. Yes. Part 4. Saying sorry and apologizing. Apologies are very important. Simple apologies: sorry, I'm sorry. Polite apologies: I'm sorry for the delay. Sorry for the inconvenience. Please forgive me. Example: I'm sorry I was late today. Practice: sorry for the mistake. I'm sorry about that. Part 5. Using excuse me correctly. Excuse me is used politely. Use it when you want attention, you pass someone, you ask a question. Examples: excuse me, can I ask a question? Excuse me, is this seat free? Practice: excuse me, please. Excuse me, may I come in? Part 6. Polite English and daily situations. At home: could you help me, please? Please pass the salt. At school: may I come in, teacher? Could you explain again, please? At office: would you mind helping me? Thank you for your cooperation. On phone: may I speak to Mr. Rahman, please? Thank you for calling. Many practice dialogue.
Excuse me, could you help me? Sure, no problem. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Part 7. Polite online and professional English. Online polite English is very important. Polite online phrases: I hope you are doing well. Please let me know. Looking forward to your reply. Thanks in advance. Example message: hello, sir. I hope you are doing well. Could you please send the details? Thank you for your time. Part 8. Polite ending and final practice. Polite endings: have a nice day. Have a great day. Take care. See you soon. Practice all together. Please help me. Thank you very much. Sorry for the delay. Excuse me, please. Target final motivation. Polite English makes you respectful, professional, confident. Remember, simple words plus polite tone equals powerful English. Practice daily. Thank you for watching English Boost Motivation. See you in the next lesson.